Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn CBSE Grade 10 Mathematics, Real Numbers, Part 9. In this part of the chapter, we will continue our discussion on real numbers and focus on important concepts that help us understand decimal expansions more clearly. These ideas are very important for board examinations as well as for building a strong foundation in mathematics. So, let us begin our learning journey with real numbers, Part 9. Exercise 1.3, Question 3, Part 2. Prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. Let us prove this by the method of contradiction. Assume that 7 root 5 is a rational number. Then there exist two coprime integers a and b, where b is not equal to 0, such that 7 root 5 can be written in the form a divided by b. Now divide both sides by 7. We get root 5 equal to a divided by 7b. Since a and b are integers, 7b is also an integer. Therefore, a divided by 7b is a rational number. This implies that root 5 is rational. But this contradicts the known fact that root 5 is irrational. Hence, our assumption that 7 root 5 is rational is wrong. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. Question 3, Part 3. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Let us prove this by the method of contradiction. Assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Then there exist two coprime integers a and b, where b is not equal to 0, such that 6 plus root 2 can be written in the form a divided by b. Now subtract 6 from both sides. We get root 2 equal to a divided by b minus 6. Write 6 as 6b divided by b. So root 2 becomes a minus 6b divided by b. Since a and b are integers, a minus 6b is also an integer, and b is a non-zero integer. Therefore, a minus 6b divided by b is a rational number. This implies that root 2 is rational. But this contradicts the known fact that root 2 is irrational. Hence, our assumption that 6 plus root 2 is rational is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Question. Prove that root 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Solution. Let us assume that root 2 plus root 5 is a rational number. Then there exist two coprime integers, a and b, such that root 2 plus root 5 is equal to a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Now, squaring both sides, we get root 2 plus root 5 whole square is equal to a square divided by b square. Using the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We get 2 plus 5 plus 2 root 10 is equal to a square divided by b square. Simplifying this, 7 plus 2 root 10 is equal to a square divided by b square. Now, subtract 7 from both sides. So, 2 root 10 is equal to a square minus 7b square divided by b square. Now, divide both sides by 2. So, root 10 is equal to a square minus 7b square divided by 2b square. From the previous step, we get root 10 is equal to a square minus 7b square divided by 2b square. Here, a square minus 7b square is a rational number, and 2b square is also a rational number. Therefore, the entire expression is a rational number. This implies that root 10 is also a rational number. But we know that root 10 is an irrational number. This gives a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, root 2 plus root 5 is not a rational number. So, root 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Question. Prove that cube root of 5 is an irrational number. Solution. Let us assume that cube root of 5 is a rational number. So, there exist coprime integers a and b, where b is not equal to 0, such that cube root of 5 is equal to a divided by b. Cubing both sides, we get cube root of 5 whole cube is equal to a divided by b whole cubed. This gives 5 equal to a cube divided by b cube. Rearranging, we get b cube equal to a cube divided by 5. This implies that 5 divides a cube, and therefore 5 divides a. So, 5 is a factor of a. Let a be equal to 5c. Substituting this value of a, we get b cube equal to 5c cube. This shows that 5 divides b cube, and hence 5 divides b. So, 5 is a common factor of both a and b. This contradicts the fact that a and b are coprime integers. Therefore, our assumption that cube root of 5 is a rational number is wrong. Hence, cube root of 5 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helped you understand the concept clearly. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to write them in the comments section. I'll be happy to help you. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and clear explanations. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!